Let's go, baby. I will refuel later, Mr. Lamborghini. Alright. Let me take you through the stats of what we're driving today. In this POV experience, we have the Lamborghini Huracan LP610, which is an incredible driving machine, and as you can see, a lot of people are gathering to enjoy this fantastic view of a car. The lift system is up, so I can drive over those bumps here to give you that beautiful experience. We have a V10 engine, 5.2 liter, called the L539, which is basically the same engine like they use in the Audi R8. We have 610 horsepower, 560 newton meters of torque. Acceleration wise, the car goes from 0 to 100 kph in 3.2 seconds, and it goes from 0 to 200 in 9.9 seconds and tops out at about 325 kph. We have a dry weight of 1,360 kilograms, which results in a real life weight of about 1.55 tons. And the car is absolutely beautiful to look at inside and out. We have a couple of driving modes that I'm going to explain to you right now. But first, let me put the car down into its sport position so that we don't have a big front gap to the floor. So we have three driving modes. We have Strada, as you can see here on the bottom part of the steering wheel. We have Sport and we have Corsa. Strada is just a basic road mode. You can tell the car isn't that loud, the valves are closed, and you just have a very nice, beautiful experience. Change the screen here so you can see what the average and max speed was, etc. Okay. We have a 7-speed dual clutch gearbox that also is connected to those three driving modes: the aggressiveness of the throttle, the steering wheel, and the so-called LDF double clutch system, which is basically the same as the DSG, just a different name, of course, to match the Lamborghini standard. Your car feels pretty solid and easy when you drive normal. Very nice to experience. Not much to say. Very nice, actually. Let's close the window, for example. As you can tell, it feels very nice, silent around here. No loud noises, no imbalances, just a very nice feel. Also, the steering wheel feels absolutely fantastic. The shift pedals feel fantastic also. But what is important about Lamborghinis is that they are not just nice to feel and experience, they're also pretty fast. So let's go into sport mode, and what happens instantly, the car shifts down 2 gears. We're still in automatic. One touch on the throttle and you can hear it sounds a little bit different, and the ESC, the electronic stability control, has been changed to a sportier mode. Also, you can tell on the steering wheel it is pretty sporty. Let's see how it does around those corners. We are still in automatic mode. Shift it down pretty hard. Sound is just beautiful to experience. And hard on the brakes here. Well, it does pretty well in sports mode. It's a great feel and look on past roads like this. Let's go to Corsa mode. Let's see what it does now. Now we are in charge manual mode only. So this changes the experience quite dramatically. You because it's now so aggressive. Holy crap, man. That is literally crazy. Let's go to Strada mode, enjoy a little bit. Nice sound. It turns in so sharp. And if you want it to be an automatic, just press the manual button one time. Now it's an automatic. Very nice. So Corsa mode. Look at that. So neutral. You're just constantly too fast. The shifts are absolutely incredible. Look at that. The third gear, fourth, fifth, sixth, fourth, third, second. This is just so beautiful to experience. What a great car, man. Okay, let's turn left here. The indicators are on the steering wheel. This is Corsa mode. Let's go to Strada. Much easier on the steering wheel. It's really easy. You can really turn with one finger. In Strada mode, that is a little bit, in Corsa mode, it's a little bit more difficult. You hear that? The sound is just different in Strada mode. The valves are closed, you turn here, but the feel's also very nice, of course. It handles the bumps maybe a little bit better. Third gear, put it in sport, and the experience with the exhaust starts to go. Very nice. Nice Panigale. Ui, ui, ui. I like to play with those buttons, really. Let's go into automatic mode and enjoy the silence a little bit. Think about the day, think what happened, think of how you can get better at what you do, get better in life in general. Just use your Lamborghini Huracan to become a better person, or any car, man. Just enjoy it a little. Just drive along, drive around town, burn some petrol, enjoy the sound, enjoy the roads, enjoy the looks, like here on those Swiss Alps. Absolutely wonderful. It's just beautiful to drive through small little villages like here. Very nice with your Lamborghini Huracan. Don't go on the nerves of anybody. You're silently passing through. Nobody's being disturbed or anything. They look at the car, they think it's beautiful. You get all the attention. You don't have to go on the nerves, piss off anyone. You just enjoy it in Strada mode. We're just constantly too fast. That is the only problem. Constantly too fast with this car. Such a beautiful sound though. Around the corner, turn here. Very nice. And that's about it for the POV drive, my friends. We can't do anything right now. The drive is over. You got the message. The car is beautiful. If you want to find out about the review of it, make sure you check out the link in the description. If you want to check out the car from the outside and inside, and also the stuff that I think is very annoying, Make sure you check that video out also, and see you on the next one. Goodbye.